Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete WapEx account permanently. You can permanently delete your account on WapEx, a cryptocurrency exchange, by contacting their customer support. There is no self-service option for permanent deletion on the website or in the app. How to request account deletion. To start the process, send a formal request to WapEx customer service. Number 1. Locate the support channel. Find the official customer support channel contact information, likely on the company's help center or website. Number 2. Draft your request. Clearly state that you want your account permanently deleted and that all associated data should be erased. Number 3. Include key details. To verify your identity, provide the account information you used when signing up, such as your user ID or the email address linked to the account. Confirm the request. Ask for a confirmation email to ensure your request has been received and processed. Some important considerations before requesting your account deletion. Be aware of the following. It's an irreversible process. Deleting your account is a permanent action, and you will lose all access to your data, transaction history, and any digital assets stored on the platform. Make sure to withdraw any remaining funds or assets from your account before requesting deletion. You will not be able to recover them afterward. It is a good practice to request that your information also be deleted by any third-party affiliates or partners that WapEx may have shared your data with. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.